Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today friends I will share with you how to cancel Distrokid subscription. So friends, log in your account. The first step you need to do. After that, click on your profile icon, guys. Look for profile icon option and then click your account option from your profile, and then scroll down. You see cancel membership option. Just click cancel membership, and then after you see cancel subscription, guys, click this one, guys. Write your reason you want to cancel from here. Click, for example, other, and then you see annulations membership. Write your reason from here and write your password, guys. For example, I want cancel membership, and then write your reason you want to cancel, guys. For example, this one, and then click on remove abonnement and click confirm. This is how you can do, guys. Easy steps. I hope this video for you. Don't forget to give like, give share this video for more content.